Actually, let me just go the way that they want me to go.
Whoa, that is a lot of bad guys.
Attention, citizens. You may have noticed we are in the midst of a small, insignificant incident. Working hard to contact the boss so we can find a peaceful resolution. But until they return our
Ooh,
call,
get ready to fires up.
remain in your
My aim is pulled. Oh snap! They all the same color as the grass and stuff, so I can't tell where I'm shooting at. Where am I getting hit from? Huh? You don't want these problems? Get these bolts. Can I swim? I don't want to die though. Oh, I can swim. Hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. Oh, let me get away from this bomb. Is that fish gonna hurt me? Is my question.
Ratchet could not attention.
Hit them bombs.
Want to suggest that you are avoiding us, but
Hey, this is lit. I can't really swim in real life. That's why I like this so much, you know? Let me come out the water. Oh, oh, oh,
Hey,
oh.
Verilic statue. She's the youngest recruit ever to be selected for the Galactic Rangers.
Can you turn your sensitivity up or something? Cause I was moving slow. What is behind me? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna need some ammo in a second.
attention, Lars. You have not heard back from me regarding this unfortunate technical difficulties on our side, so I picked up the phone.
Oh, what is hurting me?
Then I had a friend call me from a
Let
neighboring
me look outside real quick.
sure there hadn't been a service.
Alright, so we got some crates out here I can hit up.
So when you get a moment,
Cool. I wonder if there's anything down there here. I don't feel like checking right now. There's many to stop shooting at me. I gotta aim on this. Die. Can I get up there? I wonder if there's anything up there. Nope. Can't get up there. Let's see. Alright, you can just tap triangle if you want to hurry up and switch your guns. It's pretty dope.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. Why'd I just waste that? Boom. Yo, I'm about to die. It's like the first level.
Oh dear, more of them.
Oh dear, more of them.
This is a transmission for the Galactic Rangers. Please, assistance. This is Admiral Buckwash, member of the...
Oh, they about to kill this man.
Mayor Buckwash will not last long without our help.
Let's see. Alright. Get this ammo. Something behind me? How did y'all get behind me? Get off a buck wash. Oh my gosh. Oh, 40% damage up. That's dope. Okay. Alright, cool. Oh no. Oh, move out the. Get on my way. Let me go ahead and pop these dudes like a piñata. Oh, what was that? What are these cards for? I don't know what that is. You don't want these problems. You don't want these problems, even though I ain't got no aim. Let me go ahead and try to upgrade this real quick.
Hello? Is it safe to come out?
Hello, Mayor.
I thought we were done for sure.
We are happy to be of assistance. Why is Drek trying to kill you?
Why is Drake trying to kill you?
Skid McMarks.
Wait, wait.
Skid McMarks, the pro hoverboarder?
He sent me this infobot from Iridia, and the Blarg have been after me ever since.
Here, take a look.
Oh snap!
Hey, Uncle Blackwash, Skid McMarks here. You know, your nephew. My agent and I are at the awesome grand opening of the McMarks.
That dude look
Shop here
evil.
on Iridia, and boy, is this been a trip. I've gotten to meet all kinds of people. Fans, celebrities, my Gadgetron sponsors. I even got to sign autographs for these odd-looking creatures called the Blarg. I guess they're doing something here on Iridia. Wait, hold on a second. Hydro Harvester Super Illegal Water Displacement Apparatus. I don't think I was supposed to have this.
Stop him! He's got the schematics!
Are you serious?
Actually, don't call either of those people. Call someone who cares about me.
Oh wow! I'm done.
Sounds like Skid McMarks is in trouble. We gotta get to Iridia.
Alright. Oh. Alright, so find someone to help prepare your ship. Search the case for hidden treasure. So where I started is back by this right here, this little Gadgetron vendor. So in the caves is this way, I think. Like that was behind me. Let's head back over this way, I guess.
Agreed. But we must first
What is
repair
this?
our ship.
Okay, cool.
Right. Okay, let's see if
Oh,
we can
this
find
is-
some help.
Is this back to where I started at almost? Nope, it's not.
Attention,
Yeah, it is.
citizens. Your mayor is safe and sound.
Bet.
I was rescued by a furry hero and his robot friend. I will now resume regular office hours, which is every third Tuesday from 10 to 10:30.
Let me grab this real quick. Confirm. Oh, I got my rare titanium. Let's get it. What should I go for? Should I just upgrade the combustor a little bit more? Just boot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could get this little secret one. But I don't really want no bolt upgrades. Do I? I don't know. Let's go ahead and upgrade this a little bit. I want more time. That's about it. And then we can come back to the combustor. Throw some fire rate on there. This is more ammo. And then let's go here. Ammo. Area effect. Let's get the ammo in the area. And that's it. Now I'm broke. Let's get it! How much ammo does this have in it? Okay, so the proton drone is that one. Alright. Let's get it! I'm mad I got Clank and I still can't hover yet. Wow. Yeah, this is nice.
Ratchet jumped and jumped and seriously, what's with all the jumping?
Wait, can I go higher? What's up here? Ooh. Okay, secret stuff. Who doesn't like secret stuff? Everybody likes secret stuff. Ooh, I want to look at it. Oh, I gotta press options. I pressed the wrong button. Card collection.
Big Al here. You've just collected your first holo card. You can earn single holo cards, or you can explore secret areas to find. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
Okay. So I wonder what this does. So okay, it's just a card about a. It's just the cards from the game, I guess. I guess certain stats will give you a certain thing. Oh, you gotta get cards to get the Rhino. That's dope. Man, this is cool. Alright, bet. Where am I going? Let's go.
I see him.
What's wrong with this? Up. You don't really wanna. You don't want no problems. What's down there? Oh, just water. Okay, I can't hit him from there. Huh? The thing is, it looks like it's locking onto him, but it's really not. Like, I still gotta aim at him. In the old ones, you could just press the button and it'll lock on. Ooh, where did that come from? The destruction. Ooh, what's down here? Is anything down here? I don't see nothing. None in the water. Okay. Cool. Alright, let's go. I can't do that. All my bolts is dropping off the edge. Oh, oh! Hop off! Hop off! Hop off! Hop off! Huh? Alright, this is probably like an upgrade. I'm about to use this a little bit more. Hey, this that dude from which one was he on? Like Going Commando, I think.
Oh, hello there. I'm glad you're here. I've been. Hey, have we met before? Because I'm getting a touch of the old deja vu.
I don't think so.
Huh. Well, guess the think tank could use a good plumbing. Anywho,
Yeah, it was Going Commando.
the Galactic Rangers ever since
He was in the little slime pipe things. I don't know if y'all ever played the old Ratchet and Clanks before. I done played all of them.
Can I get this here infobot into the hands of Captain Quark?
We were on our way to speak with him when our ship was shot down. Perhaps we could take a look.
Oh, sure thing. I swapped it from one of those blog soldiers. Here you go.
Ooh.
Hello there.
Hey.
I'm Alonzo Drek, chairman of Drek Industries.
Hello.
Many of you may be wondering, why are 300 heavily armed warbots marching ominously towards a Class G dread ship?
That's a good question.
The answer is simple, friends.
Okay.
Progress. Years ago, we were driven underground by pollution that may or may not, but most definitely was, caused by my father's company. Since then, we've shifted focus from robotics to planet building. Now that our project is nearing completion, we must do everything possible to stay on schedule. In this case, it means our friendly army of warbots must vanquish those who would seek to stop us. Good news? They don't know we're coming! So sit back, relax, and take comfort in the knowledge that Drek Industries is working for you!
Drek
Wow.
Industries is not working for you.
I see you're having a little transportation trouble. Why don't I meet you by your ship? We'll get you squared away and ready to fly.
This don't make no sense though, because Ratchet is supposed to be like an engineer that works on ships or a mechanic. So like, you know,
Well, it does look
it
like
don't
the
make
fastest
sense.
way down. Let's give it a shot.
Anything over here? And I gotta check, see if there's some hollow cards around. You already know. This game is so beautiful. Dang. Oh, I could've just went behind there. Yahoo! Ooh. Some nanotech.
That was awesome. Want to do it again?
Okay, let's see what we got here.
And so, Ratchet and Clank set out to fix their ship with the help of the plumber.
With the help of the
They knew
plumber.
They would soon come so close to greatness, they'd be able to hear its mighty
Ain't been doing
voice.
nothing.
But first, they'd have to tackle a brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Come on, Quark. What are you doing?
Hey, wait a minute. I don't recall no brain-eating zombie T-Rex.
Okay, fine. Killjoy.
Well, you look about all fixed up here. Now promise me you'll get that infobot to Captain Quark.
Quark always out here lying to people.
Thanks for your help.
No problem. See you in the next reboot.
Yo. Cause he was in the old ones, they rebooted the series. Man, that's why I mess with Insomniac. Y'all funny. Y'all got a good sense of humor, man. Let me grab this too. Let me go ahead and upgrade it once, I guess. Okay, so we can find more Ratanium. That's kind of dope. Select your enemy. Okay, so more range and makes the stream wider. Ooh, let me go ahead and get the Ratanium. That way I can just upgrade more later. You know what I mean? Alright, bet. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and fill that up. Alright, we outie 5,000 G.
Not only could they set their new destination, each planet.
Oh, I didn't search. I didn't search the what's it called? The case for the treasure yet. Let me check the map. It's that way. Okay. Am I going the right way? Yep. Let's go. Let me go ahead and get this right here. I wonder what happens if I stay down too long. Do I start slowly losing life or do I just die? Let's go open this real quick. I like how they still got the same sounds and everything from all the old ones.
What are these things?
Oh my gosh, these are the dudes from the
Voids, a According to my
From the old
database,
one.
they were created by Drek Industries who
And they get,
assist the warbots.
what's it called? They like, okay, so in the old one, it would be like a really, really big one of these, and then they would like grow bigger, or like they get smaller. So every time you kill one, they would split in half. You have to keep going until they were all the way small. It was really annoying. What am I about to use? All right, I gotta make sure I check every corner because there be so much hidden stuff in these games, man. Alright, I gotta go for the young swim. Let's go. Alright.
More bad guys. Get ready.
Is he gonna split apart? Yep. Just like the old ones. Okay. Oh. Let's go! Alright, I got this leveled up. Let me switch to Proton Drop. I wanna try this out. Oh, this is dope. This is dope. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. That was nice. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, yeah, it's just a flamethrower.
Well done.
Alright, let's go! Dang, I've been recording for a grip. I'm gonna finish out this little cave and then I'll be done. Alright. Well, y'all, episode 1 of the Ratchet and Clank Let's Play is over. Let me know if you liked it. Go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I will be playing Rocket League soon, so I'll hit y'all up for that one. Let me know if there's any other games y'all want to see. Yep, it's your boy Solo, signing off. Peace. Alright, so I was doing some last second little exploring because right here it showed that I hadn't finished this little optional thing, right? So I went up to it. Turns out it's a secret wall. I blew it up and it's a hollow card in here. Bang. Let's get it. Alright. I'm about to go back to the ship, save the game and everything, and I'll see y'all later. Peace again, or something.